We don't always get what we want camping, adventure camping. We expected something completely different today, but this is what we got. And here's like a pile of things where people throw crap, which just really sucks. But look at this. Nice soft place for the tent. Put a bunch of pine boughs under it. I'm going to do a video on that coming up. Nice little freezing cold, but the creek down there, we did swim in it. And that's why our clothes are out there drying, and there was plenty of wood, kind of close to the road, but it's not that bad. But it wasn't what we expected, and that's what I want to talk about. Expectations adventure touring. It's not called controlled circumstances touring. Oh my God. What happens is you get cold, you get hot, you get wet, you get expectations blown, you get things like that. Sometimes things don't work out how you plan. And ooh, jump the bridge. Oh, I was gonna jump it, Zane braked it. Things don't always work out, you know, how you want it to. So the difference is, like, if you're getting all whiny, when you're in those negative situations, what the deal is that everybody there is dealing with that same dashed hope or same uncomfortable experience. The difference is they are also dealing with you being all prima donna or whatever, the diva, you know. So have a Snicker bar, man, chill out, accept what happens, and be sure to do that, because it fosters that too, because there's always going to be people on your ride who are new and whatever, and they're trying to make sense of what's going on. And it's just really important, in my opinion, that you learn to chill out. You know, when it's hot, make everybody laugh, make hot jokes. You know, when it's cold, do the same. When things don't work out how you planned, there's a greater wheel spinning. That greater wheel spinning often lends itself to, like, you finding cooler situations and better things. So just, you know, they don't call it controlled circumstances touring. They call it adventure touring for a reason, because it's an adventure, and the adventure usually starts, like even today, like we met this adventure rider who invited us to stay at his casa in Nicaragua. Not only that, but we were going to go camp with him tonight. Like, we were going to be able to camp out at his house in Dallas, or whatever you call it, and get showers, get our laundry done, all that stuff, and just talk adventure. And so we were stoked about it and all that, and I punched his number and email address in my phone. His name is Daniel de los Santos. So when we went time to go to Daniel de los Santos' house, well, I just switched from Android to iPhone. I looked and I had hit cancel instead of save or done or whatever it is, entering the contact, and we did not have his number anymore. And so we drove around town, we tried to find people who knew him, no luck. We waited, like, towards where we kind of knew his house was. We waited at a store for a long time to see if he passed by. And so that's just one small example of how things never really work out how you want an adventure. Like, what a great opportunity we had. It just got blown. And I found him on Facebook, but he hadn't made a post since 2014. He's not a social media guy. But you know, in searching for in searching for them, we met a bunch of other cool people and did a bunch of other cool things, and what actually matters and what kind of develops your character. So you know the drill. I'm just wanting to state that. Don't be a douchebag. Be cool. Story Moto out.